Okay, the Atari upgrade. This is the new composite video signal to a composite, so I can output it to the composite inputs of my TV. Right here. This is the old RF modulator that was removed because it used to go in through and you'd have to go it on channel 2 or channel 3, but now you can just run it directly in. I got the crappy joystick plugged in and I'm just testing it out. I'll put it all together later. Just do the test to make sure it all works. Turn on the TV, and then we'll turn on the, and here we go. And we're driving. And it's hard to film and shoot at the same time. Here it goes! I think the picture is sharper than it used to be. I can't remember. And there we go. Ah, get off there. Past one. Success.